Video would be really cool to put on our QR code so that students could see possibly how to do something in a station. We're constantly trying to get our kids to do exactly what you want them to do in centers, and for whatever reason, they don't. Stations and centers are probably the hardest thing to manage in the classroom because students are not doing what they need to be doing while you're in a small group. So maybe if you have a reminder of what it looks like beforehand, and then you could even say if they're not doing what they're supposed to be doing, take a look at the QR code, scan it, and look at that video again, kind of as a reminder. This might be very helpful, or you want to give them the directions or whatever through video. So with that being said, trying to figure out how you could put video with the QR code. Basically what you need is a URL. The question is, how do you get it? Well, you could use YouTube. You can definitely create your own channel, put YouTube videos on it, and send students to YouTube. Problem with that is we're blocked. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it because that may change at any time. And then I'm going to show you something else that might be helpful as well. So I'm going to go to my channel on YouTube, and some students had created a Puppet Pal presentation. So let's just say this was the video that you wanted students to see at the station. You're just going to copy that URL, go back to your QR code, and you're going to enter the URL YouTube video here. And then, of course, there again, you can change the color, you can do whatever you want. I'm not this time going to add a logo, so when I create my QR code, it's just going to look black. Now, I'm going to look at my iPad, make sure that this works. Alrighty, we'll move this over so we can see both. Now, when I scan it, let's see what happens. It'll say watch video, open video in YouTube. So let's see what happens when we click on watch video. I'm going to assume it takes me to the YouTube app, and there is the video. So that's a great thing, like that. I want to show you one other thing, because it is possible, I've been thinking about it, and I know that we can do this, is we could very easily go into Zuni and put some videos in there. It wouldn't be that difficult. You could just have a page of videos that you've created. This is a video that Claudia created to show her kids how to use a specific app, and it already has its own URL. So I'm going to copy that, paste it into the URL section of my QR code, and just get rid of that, paste it in there, create QR code, and let's see what happens when we scan this. See if it will work. I don't know if it will work. I'm trying it right here with you. So I'm going to close this out, go back to my scan with camera, scan it, and then I'm just going to go to URL, And there it is.
To work on actually building.
So actually we could we could do that if you wanted to put a video. If you created a video of students, you could put it in Zuning. I have another option too, I bet. And so I'm about to make another. I just thought of something. If you didn't want to put it in Zuning because you don't want to go to all, you don't want to send it to them because that would be an extra step. I have another solution, and that will be in the next video.